Be easy with it, Charles.
Oh my God! I just shit my pants. Woo!
He just sharded.
Did you see that? Oh my God! Yes.
Shit, man. Matt's over there.
He hit it 5 foot from my boat. 5 foot.
Oh, shit.
Be easy with it, Charles.
This will be a 30-minute fight, boys and girls.
Boing, boing.
You want me
See
to?
that jump?
Yeah.
Oh my God! Did you get that on camera?
I'm recording you right now.
Did you get the jump?
No.
Ah, we'll get it. He'll do it again.
Will.
And he's just slowly going, man.
I wish we could tie off. Oh, man, he's taking it.
I got plenty of line. Let him take it. Slowing up. I'm afraid to let him take me for a sleigh ride. I don't know where I'd end up. He just slowly taking that line out. Man, he's still got some in him. Oh my God. I saw that thing come up right next to the boat, the whole body of it, right next to the boat. It took it.
Really?
Yeah, I saw it. It scared me at first.
Yeah, I bet. Watch this! Watch me catch a little catfish.
Damn, he's still there, man.
Well.
Yes.
Get ready for the jump. If he's running like that. Golly.
Forget the black drum.
Fuck that.